In Rhode Island, there exists a bizarre law that mandates folks to cover their mouths when sneezing, which sounds sensible until you ponder its relevance in today's fast-paced world. It hilariously showcases how some centuries-old regulations linger even as society evolves, leaving citizens chuckling at a law that feels downright prehistoric. To add to the irony, sneezing, often viewed as a natural reflex, suddenly becomes an act that could theoretically be punishable. Imagine a gathering where a simple sneeze is met with gasps, as if someone just committed a crime. This law hilariously exemplifies how sometimes the rules are just as outdated as the apparel from the era they were created in.